learn how to make a no-sew fleece poncho. First, cut off the selvage edge. Then cut on the width to make 2 pieces into these dimensions. Next, cut out a 4-inch square from each corner of the 2 fleece rectangles. Use this picture as a reference. A's will align with A's and B's will align with B's. Line up the pieces with the wrong sides together, marking the sides is optional. Pin the pieces in place. To make the fringe, cut 4 inches deep and 1 inch apart along the pinned area. Tie fringe from the 2 pieces together. See our website for alternative tying techniques. Cut the same size fringe on the bottom of the poncho. The fleece poncho is now complete. Share your creations on Facebook and Instagram at fabricland.canada. For more information on materials needed, a size chart, fabric recommendations, tips, and a step-by-step guide, download our free PDF on our website.